मॉर्निंग गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। अभी मैं GK1 में हूँ और मैंने अभी अपने नेल्स करवाए हैं। I can help you with clothes, I can help you with jewelry, I can help you with makeup, lifestyle and whatnot. So subscribe to my channel to know what I'm on to. The question is, are they my natural nails or are they planted? These are my natural nails, and thanks to these women at Soham Nails in GK who have been taking care of my nails for like a good 10 years now. 10 साल हो गए हैं. I remember the first time I went to this place was for the temporary nail paints. I was in 9th standard and I remember first time going here. I was with a friend of mine who's no longer a friend. This is one of the things that I picked out from that relationship with her. My friendship with her was at nail salon. I used to come here every week and do quick dry nail paints and stuff, and they used to cost like $100 to get nail paints done. Why not good quality time with my friends? It was fun. I guess for 4-5 years I kept it very natural with quick dry nail paints. One of my cousins was getting married and उस time मेरे nails नहीं थे, so I had to go for extensions for the first time. I think 2019. तब मैंने पहली बार extensions कराए थे, and from my personal experience, I know that extensions are not good. या थोड़ा weird है अभी बाहर जाना, बाहर जाके लोगों के सामने ऐसे बात करना. अभी I'm comfortable doing it in my car, but एक एक करके सारा प्रोसेस शुरू होता है. जो मेरे already existing nails हैं, that have been chipped off. Like you can see, वो जो red portion है वो निकल चुका है. But the nail was intact, so we could work around with a newer shape. First, I was with a cherry red French tip, and that was मतलब वो square shape में था. वो square shape में था और ये अब मैंने oval में करा लिया. And suddenly I find oval as a better nail shape for my nail bed because मतलब it looks so pretty. Look at it. The existing gel nail paint वो सारा उतार दिया, and then she started cleaning up with my cuticles. First was cuticles, and then she took out all the trash from my nail bed. जो भी इसके अंदर सारा कचरा वचरा, bacteria and stuff was hidden. And then उसके बाद buffing करके we start with the first coat. That is basically like a primer for nail paints, a base differentiation, like your nail and your nail paint becomes separate, just like a face primer that separates makeup and the skin. We're going for a super beige pinkish color, and we do 2 coats of it. After the 2 coats are done, then she puts a top coat, and then उसके बाद हम chrome लगाती है. Chrome is my favorite type of nail paint. मुझे genuinely बहुत पसंद है chrome because my nails just look amazing, like looking like a wow kind of. बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं, तो इसलिए why not? I would always prefer a chrome nail over anything because it's super classy. It's like an old money mob wife vibe. I wanna be a mob wife. At the end वो chrome लगा के फिर एक top layer करती है, top coat करती है, and उसके बाद sees for the final checks. Like if the nail paint is coming out of the nail, अगर इधर से आपका nail paint निकल रहा है, get stuck to your clothes and all, वो बीच बीच में अटकता रहेगा and आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम करके वो nail ही तोड़ देगा because it is somehow attached to the nail, right? फिर उसने मेरे हाथों पे oiling किया and that's it. It was a quick process. It took me 1 hour. I'm glad I got these because they look so natural. You have to make signature stuff for yourself. I get my nails done from one particular place, my hair from one particular place. The guy that washes my hair has been the same for 20 years. That is it for today, and I hope this video gave you some tips and tricks. I hope this video has an impact on you with it answers some of your questions. If you find value from my content, do not forget to subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.